Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo X1 Carbon. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo X1 Carbon screen keeps flickering, you're not alone. This issue can be quite frustrating, and it often occurs due to a failing display cable or a malfunctioning screen. If left unresolved, it can lead to further damage, making your device unusable and potentially more costly to repair. To fix this problem, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a new display cable compatible with the Lenovo X1 Carbon. First, ensure that your device is powered off and unplugged. Then, carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Start at a corner and gently work your way around to avoid damaging the clips. Once the back cover is removed, locate the display cable, which is usually positioned near the screen hinge. You may need to remove a few screws to access it. Be sure to note the type of screws you are dealing with, as some may be different. When you find the cable, gently disconnect it by pulling on the connector rather than the cable itself to avoid any damage. Now, take your new display cable and connect it securely to the motherboard. Make sure it's seated properly and that there are no loose connections. After securing the cable, it's time to reassemble your device. Carefully replace the back cover, ensuring all clips are engaged. Finally, power on your Lenovo X1 Carbon to check if the flickering issue is resolved. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To help prevent this issue from happening again, make sure to handle your laptop with care, avoid exposing it to excessive heat, and regularly check for any loose connections. It's also wise to keep your device clean and avoid placing heavy objects on top of it. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.